The Elevate mobile application is an essential communication and collaboration tool designed to keep you connected with your team and your customers anywhere, anytime. Once installed, log in using your email address and Elevate password. With the Elevate mobile app, you'll be able to extend your business phone number and extension to your mobile phone, so you can place and receive calls on the go, or even transfer calls from your desktop phone to your mobile device seamlessly and without interruption. Start an individual or team chat with anyone in your corporate directory. Send text messages, view coworker availability, view chat history, place direct calls, and more. All Elevate conversations sync across your devices, so you stay connected and continue conversations no matter where you are. Access your desk phone voicemail from anywhere at any time. You'll be able to see your voicemail, play and delete voicemail, forward voicemail, and more. Sync contacts from third-party platforms like G Suite, Outlook, and more from your mobile device to all your Elevate apps. To access your files and launch meetings on the go, head to the Settings section of your Elevate app. The Elevate mobile app brings together your business phone, conversations, company contacts, and more into the palm of your hand, providing you with the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere. The Elevate mobile app is available in both Android and Apple iOS versions. Download it for free in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store.